Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All praise due to Almighty Allah, and peace and blessing be upon the last messenger of Almighty Allah. Almighty Allah says, "Qul bi fadlillahi wa bi rahmatihi fa bidhalika falyafrahu huwa khayrun mimma yajma'un." Sadaqallahul azim. My honorable audience, today we are very happy to welcome our new freshers to the Department of Al-Quran and Islamic Studies for the session of 2024-25. The most important part of this session is our freshers. Your arrival has failed on our 175-acre evergreen campus with joy. On behalf of my Department of Al-Quran and Islamic Studies, I would like to say you from my heart, welcome, welcome, welcome. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.